Hey everybody, Justin Cena here. In this video, I'm going to show you the 15-day drop shipping challenge. You're literally going to be able to start a drop shipping store in 15 days, step by step, with Doba drop shipping. We're going to jump right into it. You need to take the 15-day Doba challenge right now. It's a 15-day drop shipping challenge. And the bottom line is, if you're thinking about starting an online business, you just don't know which one to start, you don't know the steps, you don't know the process, then this 15-day challenge is for you. The 15-day Doba dropshipping challenge, it's super beginner friendly. It goes step by step. It's a program that's literally going to help you learn how to dropship, what dropshipping is, how to build your first store, how to make sales, and do it all super confidently and do it the right way. You're going to learn how to source products from reliable suppliers, even US-based suppliers, for super fast shipping. You're going to learn how to automatically fulfill orders with speed and accuracy, no copy and pasting, no hiring someone to export or picking up the phone to place an order. It all happens automatically. You're going to learn how to sync your catalog to every platform possible: Shopify, TikTok Shop, Amazon, Temu, WooCommerce, and you'll be able to track inventory, track pricing, track shipping, track all of your important stats all in one dashboard. And over the course of just 15 days, you're going to go from curious learner or super beginner to confident store owner with amazing products, integrated, automatic, full automation in terms of fulfilling orders, different platforms like Shopify, TikTok Shop, Amazon. You'll be super confident and know how to do it all in just 15 days. That's why you need to do Doba's dropshipping challenge. And if you've been following me at all, you know I love working with Doba. They have so many great products, so many great suppliers, tons of USA-based products for super fast drop shipping. They are the #1 way to drop ship on Shopify. And now you can do this 15-day challenge so you can figure out exactly how to do it with the exact products, the exact storefront, and the exact strategy. And you see the link directly below this video. Here's a little bit more about the 15-day challenge. This is Doba.com, and I'm going to show you more inside of my Doba account, but you could learn a little bit more about the 15-day drop shipping challenge over on their blog. And really, the whole idea here is that all you need to do is just sign up for an account. You get a 2-week trial, and you'll be able to jump right into the 15-day challenge. And when you complete the challenge, you get a 20% off discount to be applied to your next Doba billing cycle. So not only do you learn a lot, you get a reward at the end. But again, you're going to learn some of the core, or really all of the core points of what you need to do with drop shipping and how to source products and how to automatically fulfill and sync your catalog. Very, very, very thorough when it comes to understanding exactly what you need to succeed with drop shipping right now. And it's perfect if you're a beginner, if you're looking to build an online business, if you've been thinking about doing drop shipping, even if you've tried drop shipping before and haven't succeeded with it. If you do the challenge, you'll see the exact steps on how to do it. And once you sign up, again, you see the link directly below this video. When you log into your My Doba account, you'll see your 15-day challenge. And inside here, you'll literally see all of the different days, and you literally just simply click on each day, and it's going to go over here and give you a little challenge, a little to-do, a little lesson, and a little bit of strategy. And all of this combined over 15 days leaves you feeling super confident because you have all the skills to do everything necessary. Source great products, pick a profitable niche, build a winning product catalog, right? Launch a store with confidence and know that you've done it the right way, right? That's the whole idea of the challenge. And all you need to do each day, right? Day 1, click go and read through, understand what, and maybe you have to read it a couple times. That's no problem, right? Literally all you need to do, and then you got a little video to watch, right? It's going to tell you kind of what to expect in day 1 and all that great stuff. Literally just steps you through here. Couldn't be any easier. And it says, okay, what is your product niche? Well, you get to decide. Or maybe you're not sure. Maybe you want to do general. Maybe you want to do sports. Maybe you want to do automotive. Or maybe you say, well, I really love fashion. I want to do a fashion store. Okay. Click on clothing, store, shoes, and jewelry. Ask you, how long have you been running your dropshipping store? You say, I'm brand new, or I've made a few sales, or I'm an experienced seller. Whatever it is, you just literally answer the questions here in the challenge. Couldn't be any easier. You now come over here and give your business information over here, enter that in, and then you're good. Like, it literally just guides you along, teaching you, getting things set up in the background, asking you these very simple questions and pointing you in the right direction. And at the end of 14 or 15 days here, right, in this case 14 since we just completed day 1, but at the end of your 15-day challenge, you'll have everything ready to go, everything learned, everything set up the right way, fully confident to run a real dropshipping business. So it gives you a little preview of what's going to go and what's going to happen tomorrow. Of course, you get a little bit of reading and a little bit of video so you can get that lesson and the strategy in there. And it's super, super simple, right? You want to move faster. You want to go right in here. No problem. You can go right into day 2 of the challenge. I know that a lot of you like moving fast like me. That's totally great. You can jump right in just like that. We talk about what is drop shipping and how it works and how to start everything. And this is literally the how-tos, the step-by-step of the business. So you can kind of consider this your business plan or the operational plan for drop shipping. It talks about how much money you need to start, right? Typically $100 to $500, depending on what you set up here. And go over here, we're going to watch our video. Right here's day 2 of the video. Going to watch this video all about what is drop shipping and why it works for beginners. So literally watch this 3-minute video. And you simply just click through, okay? We've now finished day 2 and started to understand the basis of drop shipping, why it works for beginners, how to pick a profitable niche, how the process works, right? Everything here, and you see what's going to happen next day. We're going to do the state of drop shipping. We got that video in there, look at trends, look at niches, look at how we can make the most profit. So again, it's a day-by-day challenge or a lesson-by-lesson challenge where you simply become a drop shipping expert at the end of it. And this is all built into Doba. This is not just a course. Don't get me wrong. There's great content in here. But this gets you into the Doba platform, and that's what's highly recommended here. And that's why the whole reason why I make videos about Doba and how to build a golf store with Doba and how to build a basketball store and how to build a shoe store. And it's because they have tons and tons of products. Literally tons and tons of products over here. And, we can go and take a look at some of the products. Maybe you want to build a cat store, right? We just literally type in cat, 15,000, almost 16,000 cat products. And each product has the product description page. They have images and videos that you can use for your ads. And literally everything's super professional, as you see here, ready to go, ready to be added to your store. Ships in 4 to 7 days. Really, really powerful. And, this is just the reason why Doba is the #1 dropship supplier out there. So jump into that 15-day challenge. You see the link directly below this video. Get in here. You're going to absolutely love it. And like I said, by the end of it, you're going to be a true dropshipping expert.